There is camera unknown part after replacing the rear camera of 12 to 15 series iPhone. How to solve it? Before repairing, connect the phone to the computer and open Aweshine Repair Assistant to unbind the rear camera coil. If there is the original rear camera, you can unbind it with Argon bind. If there is no original rear camera, you can unbind it with iDevice, flash and unbind. Check the precautions, select Auto Download to download the firmware automatically for flashing and unbinding. Turn off the phone, remove the rear camera. Then boot up the phone for preparation. Take out FC01 programmer and 11:14 p.m. rear camera red and red adapter. Buckle the adapter on FC01. Connect FC01 to computer with data cable. Connect the mobile phone to computer with data cable as well. Then take out as wide-angle camera tag on repair FPC. Buckle it on the rear camera of mobile phone. 13 mini tag on rear camera repair FPC folding steps. Please find the folding steps for more models on ES official YouTube channel Aztec videos. Buckle the rear camera with well-replaced tag on FPC on corresponding socket of the adapter. Then click Cloud Burn on Aweshine Repair Assistant. Choose original machine or flash and unbind according to the actual situation. Click OK. Waiting for data burning. Cloud burn succeed. Install it in mobile phone and check. Repair the rear camera pop-up message successfully.